Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the natural look makeup. So I already clean her face with the cleanser and apply the moisturizer, and I'm doing here the eyebrows first because I'm going to do the eye makeup first. So I give her outline with the angle brush and I'm blending it with the empty mascara brush to give her the natural look. After applying the product, blend it very neatly with the empty mascara brush so that it will give you natural look. While blending, if the shadow is coming out, no need to worry because you can clean it with the concealer. So here I'm going to take the concealer as an eye base. I took the angle brush to shape her eyebrows from below. This is eyeshadow blending brush I love to use for the concealer. When I'm using it, I feel very good. It's giving you finishing look, even look. Even you can use beauty blender. This is the first shadow I left is beige. I applied it all over her eyes to make the concealer dry. Now I took the baby pink. I will apply inner corner to outer corner and I will blend it very nicely so that it will not make patchy. Second shade I'm taking little bit darker than the baby pink. It's a pink color but darker than baby pink, not too dark. Always keep one thing in your mind: whenever you are using the eyeshadow, blend it very nicely. Don't make it patchy. If you'll not blend it good, it will show patchy. So use blending brush to blend it. I used the dark brown shade in the outer corner of the eyes. Her eyes are smaller. I want to show them little bigger, so I'm using the darker shade in the corners, outer corners. Blending is very important in the eyeshadow, eye makeup. I'm going to use the beige color shimmery shadow inner corner so that her eyes will look bigger, only in the inner corner. And I took the baby pink shade and blending it very nicely. And here I'm applying little bit more brown shade and blending it. This is pen eyeliner, black color. You can use cream eyeliner too, or liquid. It's up to you. I'm not going to give her thick eyeliner. I'm just following her lash line, and then I drag it little out so that her eyes will look bigger. As I told you, I'm going to show you natural look, so I don't want to make thick eyeliner for her. I'm going to highlight her brow bone, and the lashes I took 3D mink lashes. This is the natural one. I did not take heavy lashes because this is natural looking makeup, so I took it natural kind of lashes too. And the glue which I'm using is black color, so that when you will apply the lashes, sometimes the glue is spreading and then your liner will look um, not good. It will show the color, so it's better you use the black color glue. I'm lifting her corners with the brown shade again because I feel need little more, so you can add it more. So I'm done here with the eye makeup on side, so I'm going to do another side, but I will not show you. Yeah, here you can see I'm done with another side because it takes long time. I cannot keep the video so long, so I already applied the moisturizer before I start the eye makeup, so I started now foundation. I did not apply any concealer to hide her dark spots because she doesn't have so many, so I can hide it with the foundation. I'm blending the foundation with the beauty blender sponge because it will give you even look and it will remove excess foundation from your face. This is highlighter under the eyes, on the forehead, nose bridge, and lips and the chin. Blend it with the beauty blender sponge. I love to use them because it's giving you finishing look. Beauty blenders are very good to blend the makeup. Now I took the eyeshadow blending brush because sometimes you see the crease lines under eyes. uh, I love to blend them with the blending brush. It's giving you smooth look. So this is the loose powder under eyes I'm going to apply. It will help you to set the concealer when you are using the creamy foundation or the highlighter or concealers. It will help you to set it, and when you apply the lower eye makeup, it's better, it will not spread under eyes. It's better for you to control. I took the baby pink and dark pink shades under eyes, and then in the corner I used the brown shade. I took here brown shade shadow to contour her nose. You can use the dark brown concealers to do the contouring part, but I love to use the shadow or compact kind of to do the contour. After applying the contour, please blend it very nicely, otherwise it will show patchy. This is the highlighter I'm using on the nose bridge and on her upper lip area, forehead. It's a dark brown shade. I'm doing the with the compact or eyeshadow. You can use, no problem, you can do it for the contouring part, or you can use the cream contour palette, however you feel comfortable. This is the compact contour I'm using for her hairline. Blusher, I took the dark pink and light pink. I'm mixing it. You can use 2 shades or 3 shades. It's in your hands. You can blend 2 or 3 shades, you can take together. This is the highlighter. I'm highlighting her cheekbone, nose bridge, forehead again. Sometimes you feel you need more, you can apply it more, but blend it very nicely, guys, so that whatever you are using, blending is very important. It will not give you patchy look. If you are blending it good, it will give you very good look, finishing look. So lipstick, I took nude but pink shade. I always love to do the outline first. I took the angle brush to shape her outline. Even you can use lip liner brush. It's very important how you feel comfortable. Use which brush is comfortable for you. I took the foundation to clean her outline, which is spreaded out her lipstick, and I'm blending it with the eyeshadow blending brush, because eyeshadow blending brushes are very small, so it's easier for you to blend it. If you are taking the bigger brush, you will feel not comfortable, but if you are comfortable with the bigger brush, you can use that one. I'm applying her the mascara. You can see her eye here with mascara and without mascara. While applying the mascara, one dot came out, so I'm cleaning it with the cotton earbud. This is a black eyeliner pencil. I'm using in her outer corner only to show her eyes bigger. And blending with the brush. So that it will give you even look. As I told you, blending is very important. So I'm done with the makeup here. I'm going to do her ponytail to give natural look. I'm not going to give her any dramatic look, so simple ponytail I'm going to do with the curls in the ends. I hope you guys like it. If you like, please like, comment, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that my latest new upcoming video you will not miss. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your love. See you soon with a new video. Here you can see her final. I forgot to spray the Fix Plus spray, which is very good after makeup. If you spray it, it will stay nearly 4 to 5 hours. It will not ruin your makeup, it will fix your makeup, so it's very important. You can see her look now. It's so natural. So thank you.